All right, Daddy, that's the last piece of French toast. The last piece of French toast. Yeah. Let's get that puppy in. And you've got juice and you've got milk. That's going to be 6 glasses. You're thirsty this. Yeah, that's that doggone flap in your throat, isn't it? Huh? It's a bugger, isn't it? Okay, that's your last piece. All right, that's it for the French toast. Look at the egg in a hole. Egg in a hole, Daddy. Look at, we're going to smush all that goodness. Look at that. Ooh, yum. All that eggy goodness. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Nice and soft. Soak up in that bread. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, you make me be creative. You sure do. You make me be creative. You get tired of things easy. I'll tell you what. Mama spoiled our daddy. She did. She knew how to make so many foods for you. Yeah. She made a lot of different food for you, didn't she, Daddy? All right, are you ready? You ready for your first egg in a hole taste? Here you go. Yummy! Pretty good, huh? I bet they could possibly be from Redfield, those eggs. Possibly. Kind of doubt it. But you never know. Remember how many eggs you made us kiddos have to pick every day? Daddy, do you remember you had 1,800 chickens? Look at me. Do you remember you had 1,800 chickens? Do you remember that? Yes, you did. You made all of us kids go pick eggs after we got off the school bus. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. We worked hard. Daddy taught us how to work hard. Yep, you did. Pretty good stuff, huh? Look at that. Pretty good stuff. Your egg in a hole. Pretty good stuff.